Opening a BMO retirement account is a straightforward process that can help you save for your future. To get started, you need to determine which type of retirement account is right for you, such as a registered retirement savings plan or a tax-free savings account. First, visit the BMO website or mobile app and click on the Retirement Accounts section. Choose the type of account you want to open and select the option to apply online. You will be asked to provide some personal and financial information, including your name, address, and social insurance number. Next, fund your account by transferring money from your BMO checking or savings account or from an account at another bank. You can also set up automatic monthly contributions to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. After your account is open and funded, you can start investing in a variety of products, such as mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, or guaranteed investment certificates. It is essential to assess your risk tolerance and investment goals before making any investment decisions. To manage your account, you can use the BMO online banking platform or mobile app to track your investments, make changes to your portfolio, and update your account information. It is crucial to monitor your account regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your retirement goals. Finally, consider consulting with a financial advisor to get personalized advice on managing your retirement account and creating a comprehensive retirement plan. By following these steps and maintaining a long-term perspective, you can make the most of your BMO retirement account and work towards a secure financial future.